Gear shifter selector dismantle. Remove the screw. Remove the gear shift lever. Remove complete sector with shaft. Gear shifter selector assembly. Inspect the O-ring. Replace the O-ring. Install the gear shift lever, hold and align. Install the complete sector with shaft. Ensure correct position. Install the screw. Gear shifter assembly fitment. Install new gasket. Engage the selector with the stem shaft. Install the bolts. Use 8mm T-spanner. Tighten the bolts. Apply torque. Install the stator assembly, with the wiring harness, facing the plate. Insert the grommet, in the groove. Install the pulsar coil. Tighten the screw. Tighten the screws. Install HT coil. Install the bolts. Tighten the bolts. Align the support cover with pulsar coil. Place it on crankcase. Use 8mm T-spanner. Tighten the bolts. Apply torque. Rotor assembly fitment. Match the keyway. Install the rotor assembly on the crankshaft. Use special tool. Use 18mm box spanner. Tighten the flange nut. Apply torque. Remove special tool. Fan fitment. Place the fan on rotor. Match the holes. Insert the bolts. Use 8mm T-spanner. Tighten the bolts. Do not over-tighten, it may damage the fan.